Here's a question that might genuinely disturb you. If a fire broke out in this room right now, what are the odds you'd actually do something useful? Because science says there's a real chance you'd just stand there. That's not a character flaw. That's not cowardice. That is your brain, a 3-pound organ that evolved over millions of years, doing exactly what it was built to do. And the cruel irony? The very system designed to save your life is often the one that gets you killed. Today we're going to break down the neuroscience of why humans freeze under extreme stress, and more importantly, 3 research-backed techniques to override that response when it matters most. This isn't motivational fluff. This is biology. And once you understand why your brain does this, the fixes become obvious. Let's start with the architecture. Your brain isn't one thing. It's a stack, layers built on top of each other through evolution. At the base, you have the brainstem, breathing, heartbeat, basic survival. On top of that, the limbic system, your emotional core, and wrapped around everything, the prefrontal cortex, the part doing the thinking right now. Here's the problem. Those 3 systems do not have equal priority. Deep inside your limbic system sits a small, almond-shaped cluster of neurons called the amygdala. Think of it as your brain's smoke detector. It's always scanning for threats. It works fast, dangerously fast. When you perceive danger, your amygdala fires a distress signal before your conscious mind has even registered what's happening. That signal triggers your hypothalamus, which floods your body with adrenaline and cortisol, the stress hormone. Adrenaline spikes your heart rate, redirects blood to your muscles, dilates your pupils. Your body is preparing to fight or run. That part you've heard of. What most people don't know is what cortisol does to your thinking. Cortisol, in sustained or high doses, actively impairs the prefrontal cortex, the rational planning, decision-making part of your brain. It's not a metaphor. It's a measurable reduction in blood flow and neural activity in the region responsible for clear thought. This is called an amygdala hijack, a term coined by psychologist Daniel Goleman. Your emotional brain has literally taken the wheel from your rational brain. And that's where it gets interesting. Most people know fight or flight. But there are actually 3 possible responses, and the third is the most dangerous fight. You engage the threat flight. You run freeze. Freezing isn't weakness.